It's finally here. I've been waiting 2 whole months. Finally got my package. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. I figured it'd be a big box. Let's go ahead and carry it. Oh. I'm gonna have to put this camera down and put some respect on this package. Yo, it's your boy Q, and I just wanted to let you know about another outstanding option to kill those unwanted room reflections from getting into your mix. Now, I currently use the Aston Halo, and that's well regarded as an outstanding reflection filter. But just in case you didn't know, there's another fantastic option out there. It's made by GIK Acoustics out of Atlanta. It's called the PIB, the Portable Isolation Booth. Now, the pros of the Portable Isolation Booth is that those guys over at GIK Acoustics, they really know what they're doing. I mean, it works phenomenal. I don't think there's a better in-home solution that does a better job at isolating noise, and it's handcrafted and it looks sporty. It's like they took 4 bass traps and fashioned them together with a well-made, hand-carved wood design of your choice. It costs the same much as the Aston Halo, about $350. You get a 7-foot tall isolation booth that works phenomenal. Now, what could be considered a con is that even though it's portable, once you get this bad boy set up, you're not going to want to be taking it down and moving it all around. You're probably going to want to set it up in your home and leave it right there on the spot. That's the only reason why I'm not getting rid of my Aston Halo. I'm keeping that because it's what I consider to be more portable. All in all, I could not be happier with my purchase. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right here because I know you got things to do. But if you want more informative videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.